Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Chug Jug from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start with the top, and this is just going to be one big cylinder. So we're going to draw the very top first. We'll just go ahead and draw on a curve, kind of like that. Okay, and then once we draw this curve, we want to draw the opposite curves. So we're just going to curve down this way. Just connect back up. So this is going to be the very top. So we're going to come down a little bit. So we're going to come down. Okay, and then from here, we're going to draw this curve, which is going to be the same as that. So that's the whole key to this drawing, is just to make curves kind of like going the same way. Okay, so that's gonna be the top. So in here, we're gonna draw a smaller one. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the opposite curve of that. And then we're gonna come down, just come down a little bit. And then just draw in a curve again. Okay, and then this is gonna be on the inside. So here, in here, we're gonna draw this curve. Okay. So we're going to draw that, continue on. Okay, so now it looks like this thing's inside, right? Okay, so moving on, and let's add in some details. This is actually, we'll draw in another line here, because this is actually, this is the blue color, and then this is the, I guess it looks like a metal frame. Okay, so once we have that, we're just going to keep going down. So for this, we're going to come down on the side here. This is going to be the glass. So just come in a little bit and just draw two little curves like that. And then we're gonna draw one curve like this, same as that one. So again, we're just always trying to keep the same curve because it's the same shape, okay? And once we have this, we're gonna draw in, this is gonna be the outer frame. Just kind of draw in a bigger curve like that. And then now drawing the opposite side. So again, we're gonna go like this, and it's gonna be disappearing behind it, right? Okay, and then from here, we're just gonna come down. And then we're gonna draw the same curve. So this is one big band around it. Okay, and then from here, now we're gonna keep going down. So we're gonna continue this glass curve as if it's coming down this way. So it's gonna be inside a little bit and just kind of curve it. In here the same, gonna curve it down. And then from here, again, same thing as that curve. So we're just gonna draw one curve, connecting that. And then again, we're gonna draw this curve again. So on the outside a little bit, just go ahead and follow that. And don't worry, if it's a little bit wobbly, it is very difficult to draw a smooth curve. And then from here, I'm gonna draw the back side. Just go ahead and go behind it. And then again, we're gonna come down. And then one more curve right here for this frame. And then on the bottom, there's gonna be another one. This is the blue part. So we're just gonna just curve it down a little bit. And just, again, same curve, just connect that. All right, so once we have that, that's pretty much it. Now there's gonna be some bands in the middle. So from here, we'll just draw in, just kind of all the way along the glass. So this is gonna be one band. And then here's the other one. And one more. And we'll be able to see this once we color it in. And again, there's gonna be a little bit of stuff in there. So we just kind of draw in some these little bubbly things. And then on the back here, we can draw in just like a little bit of a dotted line just to show that, you know, this is glass. You can actually see through a little bit. So that'll give it the illusion that it's transparent. And that's it for this Chug Jug, and hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.